Welcome to English Odyssey. Are you ready to dive into an inspiring story while improving your English skills? Today, we're exploring the incredible journey of Jean-Claude Van Damme, the legendary martial artist and Hollywood star. Whether you're here for the story or to practice your English listening skills, this video is perfect for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join our learning community. Let's get started. Story: Jean-Claude Van Damme's journey. Early life and passion for martial arts. Jean-Claude Van Damme, born on October 18, 1960, in Brussels, Belgium, was destined to become a global icon. From a young age, he was fascinated by martial arts. His father, Eugene van Varenberg, enrolled him in Shotokan karate classes when he was just 10 years old. Jean-Claude's dedication was unmatched. He trained tirelessly, often practicing for hours after school. By the time he was 18, he had earned a black belt in karate and began exploring other disciplines like kickboxing and taekwondo. Dreams of stardom. Jean-Claude's dreams extended beyond the dojo. He was captivated by the world of cinema, particularly action films. Inspired by stars like Bruce Lee and Chuck Norris, he envisioned himself on the big screen. However, his path to Hollywood was far from easy. He faced numerous challenges, including financial struggles and language barriers, as English was not his native language. Moving to America. In the early 1980s, Jean-Claude made the bold decision to move to the United States with little more than a dream and a few $100s. He settled in Los Angeles, the heart of the film industry. To support himself, he took on odd jobs, including working as a limo driver, carpet installer, and even a martial arts instructor. Despite the hardships, he remained focused on his goal of becoming an action star. Breaking into Hollywood. Jean-Claude's big break came when he met producer Menahem Golan. Impressed by his martial arts skills and charisma, Golan cast him in the 1984 film Breakin'. Although the role was minor, it marked the beginning of his acting career. Jean-Claude continued to audition for roles, often performing his own stunts to showcase his abilities. Rise to fame with Bloodsport. In 1988, Jean-Claude landed the lead role in Bloodsport, a martial arts film based on the life of Frank Duck. The movie was a massive success, earning over $50 million at the box office. Jean-Claude's impressive fight scenes and athleticism captivated audiences, cementing his status as an action star. The Muscles from Brussels. Jean-Claude's unique blend of martial arts, flexibility, and charm earned him the nickname The Muscles from Brussels. He became known for his high kicks, splits, and intense fight sequences. His popularity soared, and he quickly became one of the most recognizable faces in action cinema. Challenges and setbacks. Despite his success, Jean-Claude faced personal and professional challenges. The pressure of fame took a toll on his mental health, and he struggled with substance abuse. Additionally, some of his films received mixed reviews, leading to periods of self-doubt. However, he remained resilient, using his struggles as motivation to improve. Comeback and reinvention. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, Jean-Claude made a remarkable comeback. He starred in critically acclaimed films like JCVD, 2008, where he played a fictionalized version of himself. The movie showcased his acting range and earned him praise from both critics and fans. Philanthropy and personal growth. Beyond his acting career, Jean-Claude is also known for his philanthropic efforts. He has supported various charities, including organizations focused on children's health and animal welfare. His journey of personal growth and self-discovery has inspired millions around the world. Legacy and influence. Today, Jean-Claude Van Damme is regarded as one of the greatest action stars of all time. His influence extends beyond cinema. He has inspired countless individuals to pursue their dreams, no matter the obstacles. His story is a testament to the power of perseverance, passion, and self-belief. Lessons from Jean-Claude's life. Jean-Claude's journey teaches us valuable lessons. First, success requires hard work and dedication. Second, setbacks are a natural part of life, but they don't define us. Finally, it's never too late to reinvent yourself and pursue your passions. Practicing English through his story. As you listen to Jean-Claude's story, pay attention to the vocabulary and phrases used. Try to identify key words like perseverance, resilience, and dedication. Repeat sentences aloud to improve your pronunciation and fluency. The importance of listening practice. Listening to stories like this is an excellent way to enhance your English skills. It helps you understand natural speech patterns, expand your vocabulary, and improve comprehension. Make it a habit to listen to English content regularly. Tips for learning English. To make the most of this video, consider taking notes while listening. Write down new words and their meanings, and practice using them in sentences. You can also watch the video with subtitles to reinforce your understanding. Engaging with the English Odyssey community. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Jean-Claude's story. Share your favorite part in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Together, we can make learning English fun and engaging. Exploring more stories. If you found this story inspiring, stay tuned for more captivating tales on English Odyssey. From historical figures to modern-day heroes, we'll explore a wide range of topics to help you improve your English while staying entertained. The power of storytelling. Stories have the power to inspire, educate, and connect us. By sharing Jean-Claude's journey, we hope to motivate you to chase your dreams and overcome challenges. Remember, every great achievement begins with a single step. Final thoughts. Jean-Claude Van Damme's life is a reminder that success is not determined by where you start, but by your determination to keep going. Whether you're learning English or pursuing a personal goal, stay focused and never give up. Call to action. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Odyssey for more inspiring stories and English lessons. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads. Let's continue this learning journey together. Thank you for joining us on this episode of English Odyssey. We hope you enjoyed learning about Jean-Claude Van Damme's incredible journey and practiced your English along the way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more engaging content. Until next time, keep learning and chasing your dreams. This is English Odyssey, signing off.